Hello. Okay, so today I'm gonna do an unboxing session, and the thing that I'm unboxing today is obviously this thing over here yang belakang saya ni, Samsung Crystal UHD Smart TV TU6900 65-inch. Yeah, and I just bought this last week from Shopee. Okay, honestly, kenapa saya beli TV ni? Because I am actually a movie goers, like fanatic. I usually do a movie marathon at least once a month. Tapi since you know this pandemic, it's been more than a year that I haven't gone to cinemas. So that's why I decided to buy this big thing. For me, it's big. I want to set up my own home cinema in my bedroom. Why not projector? Sebab I think projector is a little bit fussy to use every single day. Macam kurang sesuai lah kan for daily users. So that's why I invested a little bit more for this TV. And this model is actually considered one of the cheaper model. That's why I went for this model. Anyway, let's start the unboxing. Can you see me? Quick setup guide. So here's the remote, batteries, cables, and also user manual. And ini dia punya. Time to unveil the TV. Ta-da! Okay. Alhamdulillah, thank God everything is in good condition. 2 stars only. Oh, okay. It says do not remove until TV is assembled. So yeah, I shouldn't remove this until the TV is assembled. Actually, I'm planning to wall mount this TV.
Many secret parties later.
Finally, as you can see, TV itu sudah melekat di dinding and also working. Yeah. So my honest opinion on this TV, I'm not gonna talk about the technicality because I'm not a tech savvy after all. Tapi honestly, for me, this TV is a good catch. Considering it is on the cheaper side, for me TV ni lebih kurang macam kereta mahal tapi yang low spec punya. So memang dia ada beberapa benda yang kurang berbanding model-model lain macam TU7000 and TU8000. Obviously, this is TU6900. Even kalau tengok dia punya nombor model pun kita dah tahu it's actually in the lower spec. But for the price, I think for someone who's like me, like Marhin, this is a very good catch. Unless kalau korang plan untuk guna banyak perkakas lain, sebab TV ni in terms of dia punya input kurang sikit, dia punya lubang-lubang kat belakang tu. So it's quite limited and it's not compatible with all the appliances macam pemain DVD whatsoever yang lama punya. This is very basic new TV. Even USB pun dia ada satu je. So it's quite limited in terms of the input, but in terms of the picture and all, okay lah. I'm not gonna say perfect, tapi for the price, it's worth it. Sesuai lah dengan harga dia. And one thing I love about this TV is I don't have fiber internet at home. Tiada. Saya cuma pakai handphone hotspot. But still, as you can see, tengok saya pasang di belakang ni video YouTube, it's run smoothly. This is 1080 and bunyi speaker dia pun not bad lah. I'm not gonna say like very good. Memang in terms of sound quality ada kurang sikit, but overall is still pretty good and acceptable lah. Dan tadi pun saya dah install Spotify and try pasang lagu pun okay. Okay, sekarang saya buka Spotify dan saya akan cuba naikkan dia punya volume sikit-sikit lah. Sekarang pun malam kan, so I cannot raise the volume too much. Ni baru 10, tapi sudah cukup kuat untuk dalam bilik saya lah. Dan sekarang malam. Boleh dengar tak? Damn. Dan TV ni juga support untuk mirroring guna handphone. also supports Apple AirPlay. Tapi itulah, bila pakai Apple AirPlay tu dia macam ada lag sikit. Even like my mouse, dia macam slow sikit tiba-tiba. Like seriously, I'm not kidding. Sebelum saya connect dengan TV ni, everything runs smoothly. Tapi bila saya pakai Apple AirPlay untuk view saya punya MacBook, mouse movement tiba-tiba jadi slow sikit. Even bila saya play video from my MacBook, at certain point dia ada macam stuck sikit. Mungkin sebab saya pakai hotspot kot.
산 건데 이 커플템 귀엽지?
이거 달고 같이 학교 가면 애들이 다 눈치 챌 거 아니야?
아는데
But all in all, for me, kalau korang cari TV yang besar tapi dengan harga yang murah sedikit, for me, this is recommendable. Yang penting lepas ni dah boleh layan movie sendiri, dalam bilik sendiri, dengan keselesaan sendiri. I just need to get some popcorn. Buat popcorn homemade je lah, kan? So that's all for this video. I hope this unboxing and product review could help you probably if you are hunting for a new TV. Kalau lah kan. So good luck, Shopee boy. And if you like this video, don't forget to share, thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.